Hello guys, we are back with another interesting video, 3 biggest mistakes of investing. Today I am going to share with you all the most common mistakes that we all do or we might have done in our life which eventually lead us to losing money. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So first thing is thinking of becoming rich overnight. Have you seen someone becoming an overnight sensation? But that doesn't last long. As the saying goes that great things come with great effort. So don't go for easy ways because that will only give you a handful of money. But there is a whole lot of things waiting for you to achieve. So go after them. So second one is always waiting for the right time to start investing. You must have heard this. The best time to invest was 10 years ago and the next best time is now. So don't wait anymore to start your investing journey. Because I can clearly remember that when I started investing few years ago, one of my friends used to buy expensive shoes and jackets for no good reason because he already had many. On the other hand, I used to invest some portion of my money every month in mutual funds in terms of SIP, which is now giving me a hefty returns. So idea here is to be rich and not look rich. And the third one is going after trend. In my early investing days, I also followed the same approach and obviously I lost money because of it. And see, the reason is people have tendencies to get instigated by these trending topics and they fall prey of the so-called market manipulators. Actually, personally what I believe is that by following trend, no one has become a trend because these trends are started by uniqueness. So only if you want to be a part of the crowd, you can do this. Guys, you should understand that people come to you and say that, hey, why don't you buy this stock? Everybody is investing in it, it is in trend, it is going to rise coming festive season or maybe the new year. But that doesn't going to change the fact and financial numbers of the company. And I'm not saying that purchasing a particular stock is bad. It can be a finest company in India or in a country, but there are other factors to look into before investing. So don't go after people's advice even if they might have earned some money out of these tips, but that might not help you in the long run. Also, if you are an ardent follower of Warren Buffett, like me, he said that don't invest in a business that you don't understand. So I think now you got this. And if we have come this far, here is a bonus tip for you guys. Don't follow short-term investing mindset unless you have a fairly reasonable goal or maybe you are a short-term trader. Just remain invested for a long run and see the power of compounding. And so now moving towards our thought of the day. In attaining wealth, it is better to be a tortoise than to be a hare. Slow and steady wins the race. So thank you guys for watching. We would really appreciate your valuable feedbacks in comment. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and your parents. Please like and subscribe for more great contents coming soon. Stay tuned.